Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to discuss about how to fix Windows 11 crashing issues. If you are facing this problem with your computer randomly freezing or restarting, then you are in the right place. So let's dive into the troubleshooting tips. So the first step in fixing any issue on your Windows 11 PC or laptops, make sure that your computer is up to date. Sometimes outdated software or drivers can cause your system to crash. So make sure that you have a latest version of Windows 11. For that, you just need to right click on your start menu, go to settings, then go to Windows Update, then make sure that all the drivers and Windows 11 is up to date. So the next step is to scan your computer for malwares. Malicious software can also cause your system to crash. So it is essential to use antivirus on your computer and scan your system regularly. You can also use Microsoft Defender software to scan your computer regularly. The third method is disable startup programs on your Windows 11 PC or laptops. Sometimes Windows 11 crashes because of starting programs automatically when you turn on your computer. So it is recommended to disable unnecessary startup programs to prevent them from caching issues. For disabling startup programs, you just need to right click on your start menu, click on Task Manager. After open Task Manager, you just need to go to startup programs and apps. Then you just need to right click on that apps which you want to disable and then click on disable, and then you are done. The fourth step is run system file checker on your Windows 11 PC or laptops. The system file checker is a built-in tool for any Windows operating system. So this tool can help you to detect and repair corrupted file system. To open and run this program, you just need to go to your start menu and type command prompt, and after that right click and click on run as administrator. Then you just need to type this command which I'll give you on my video description, which is called sfc/scannow, and after that you just need to press enter and it will scan your system to fix your files and folders on your computer. If all the solution is not working for you, then it is time to check your hardware. Sometimes your faulty hardware such as falling your hard drive or overheating CPU can cause your system to crash. So make sure that your computer's hardware components are working correctly. So I hope this video will helpful to you. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.